Hey there, I wanted to share this cool project that I was working on. This is a testimonial slider. So it just gives you some quotes and images, and when you press up and down, the quotes cycle out and the images cycle out as well. So this is all done with JavaScript, and it's just using some kind of simple but also kind of complex CSS rules. But the fundamentals are simple for the animation. It's like it's using the transform translate, and it moves the like it uses nth-of-type to move the first and the last image out and in. The first one translates in from the top and goes from opacity 0 to opacity 1, and then down here at the bottom it actually, instead of going down and out to opacity 0, it just goes shrinks to it scales to point 1 and goes to opacity 0. And yeah, and it's responsive, so it's not totally done yet, but at this size it changes layout. So now the items come in from the side, or the quotes come in from the side, and the images are coming from the top. So that's cool how it changes to a whole different layout and still works. And then down here on mobile, we have it all stacked on top of each other, and it's the same idea, just the animation changes a little bit, but the content is the same. Um, and it's all the same HTML at all screen sizes, just reorganized with CSS grid. Um, You can see in here I'm using the BEM CSS methodology. But yeah, it was a pretty fun project I've been working on. JavaScript slider built from scratch. I used some references to get ideas, but basically built this from the ground up. I'm proud of it. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye.